Welcome to AbCare, your online health and wellness product store.
What happens during insomnia? Insomnia is a common sleep disorder that can make it hard to fall asleep, hard to stay asleep, or cause you to wake up too early and not be able to get back to sleep. Presenting To Cure Insomnia is an herbal tea made with Melissa officinalis that relieves you from insomnia. What causes insomnia? Common causes of insomnia include stress, an irregular sleep schedule, poor sleeping habits, mental health disorders like anxiety and depression, physical illnesses and pain, medications, neurological problems, and specific sleep disorders. To Cure Insomnia helps to gently put you into a relaxing sleep free of restlessness and mental stress. Not getting a good night's sleep because of medical or psychological issues is not only bad for your health, but also often interferes with your day-to-day life. Lemon balm or Melissa officinalis, a member of the mint family, is considered a calming herb. It was used as far back as the Middle Ages to reduce stress and anxiety, promote sleep, improve appetite, and ease pain and discomfort from indigestion. Sip on To Cure Insomnia before bed for a calming and sedative sleep that will leave you feeling rejuvenated and rested. How to use it? Infuse 1 tea bag in 150 milliliters of boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink 1 to 3 times per day, as needed. Buy online at abcare.ca with a great buy 2 get 1 free offer. We are proudly supporting the Canadian Mental Health Association and sales through AbCare. We will give 2% to CMHA.
Please subscribe our channel for future new products update.